Okay, so we're going to look at a new plugin that I've added for you. It's called instabuilder, and this is going to actually create your web pages for you if you want them. Okay, you don't have to. You can go the traditional route by adding pages and also posts. Okay, and you can do it at the top here as well, posts, blog posts or web pages. Okay, but I'm going to show you a new way of doing it, which is this instabuilder, which I've set up for you. So first of all, we'll have a quick look at the settings for you. So when we click in here, I've actually already done this for you. So I've actually created a Facebook app for you, which the reason I've done this is that people can comment via Facebook comments if you want to add that in there. Okay, you don't have to have it, but if you want it, it's already built in for you. So this is already built in for you. You don't need to worry about this. Okay. Again, I've added this in. You don't need to worry about it, and I haven't added GoToWebinar because I actually have a better webinar thing. This is actually quite an expensive option, GoToWebinar, and I've added the other keys in here. Now, basically, what this is for is it will automatically find images for you when you're searching, and I'll show you that. Okay, and here as well, you can edit images. Really clever. So it's just an online photo editing option for you. Okay, so all this has already been done for you, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, the next one is your dashboard. So this is where we're going to build pages. Now we can either do it here on the dashboard, and what you can do here is you can just click to build a new page. Okay, now a group is if you've got a number of pages. So let's say it's a membership site. Say that again. A membership site page on I don't know, public speaking, let's say, and then you have another membership site page on audio, and another membership site on video, but you want it all to be something to do with public speaking, then you could create a group for public speaking. Okay, you don't need to, but it will group them together here so you can have a look at it. Okay, and here, so I've actually just tested these, so these aren't even, well, actually two of them are live because it says publish. Yeah, that's the status. Okay, but you can edit them anytime you like. You can also change the URL here as well if you click on permalink, and you can see the statistics for each of them. Okay, and you also have a number of other options. So for example, if you wanted to put this into an HTML page, you can do it that way as well. You can actually create split tests, and we'll come into that later, and we can just click on publish as well. Okay, so lots of options here. Okay, the one I do like here is create a landing page, and we'll come on to that as well. I really like this, create a landing page, which is slightly different from a page because a page would just be a normal internet page, web page, whereas a landing page is what we call a squeeze page, which is designed to grab people's contact details. Okay, so I'll show you that. Okay, and the other way finally that you can do this is via, let me just pull this across again, is via just going to pages and go to add a new page. So you can do it this way as well. If you don't want to click this green button, just go to pages and add a page, and at the top right here you'll see enable. Okay, so if you want to create a traditional page, you just type in traditional title, I can spell today, title, and then you could put your traditional description, whatever, detail, and you can do all sorts of things that you would normally do. Okay, with web pages. So you can do all this normally. What the SEO thing that we did before is actually now also offering the extra options here as well, and I've already built in the infinite SEO. So if we click that drop down, you can see you could do other things in here as well for the search engine optimization. Okay, and on the right hand side here, if you want, you could actually put it under different pages. So if you wanted to create a page called membership, for example, then you could actually, in this one for example, account is under register, protected content is under register, etc. Okay, so it keeps it tidy for you. And finally in here is you want to include or exclude. So if you want it to be a hidden page that's not a part of the menu option, so no one would know where to find it, you just uncheck this box. I mean, normally it would be checked so it was a normal page that people could see. Okay, so let's uncheck this for now. Okay, and this time, instead of just doing a standard page, I'm going to use instabuilder. So I'm going to click on launch. Please save this as a draft. Okay. Right, so instantly it's giving me different templates, so I can have a look at what do I fancy. Do I fancy doing launch pages, for example? Let's have a look at launch pages. And you've probably seen various launches like this where it's got a video at the left and then maybe 3 other videos coming soon. This one's got 4, this one's just got standard video, etc. We can choose, let's go back to all. We could do it this way as well, so we could have video squeeze pages, mini squeeze pages, download pages. Let's have a look at the download page. Thank you for your purchase, click here to download, etc, etc. Okay, really simple. Okay, so it's all done for you, which is really, really cool. One-time offers, this is after they've clicked to buy, then you send them from the click to buy to the one-time offers, which is an upsell if you like. And we've got a few other extras in here. So if we did choose one of these, for example, you should want to leave, okay. Going to leave and we're going to create a new page. Here it comes. Okay, so this is already created for you, which is really cool, isn't it? So all you want to do is just change the layers that you don't like. Okay, so if for example we want to put in some detail, let's say this one, this actually says information. So let's just fix that. So click to edit. Oops. Where is it? Information. Okay, fine. Secure sockets is actually if you've got an HTTPS site. So if you have a secure URL, and again you might want to fix this. So you would change that link to whatever it is, your PayPal button for example, etc. Click here, etc. Okay, put in a new window when you click it. Simple as that. Okay, so and again with download, if we click to the little cog, we have lots of options over here as well. So the link where it's going to go to once they do download, you can have it doing it as a pop-up, and then you can add text into the pop-up if you wanted, or we can go back to a URL and just put in where the page is that they go to download. Okay, and you can open it in a new tab or not. Okay, button text, let's change that to grab it now. Okay, and you can see it's doing it live, which is cool. You can change the size, we can change the type of font, etc. Okay, so lots of things you can do with it. And you can even have hover colours, so when they hover over it, it changes to a different colour. So let's say the hover colour is green. Good, like that. So when I hover, let's click on this. It was green anyway, but when I hover over it, it changes slightly different style. Good. The normal state is green. Let's just change that to purple. Good. And then when I hover over it, it goes green. Good. Cool, huh? So lots and lots of different things we could do with this. We can make the corners more rounded if you choose to. So yeah, you decide what you want it to look like. And you could also have it bouncing or whatever as well if you wanted. So it won't do that right now. It will do it when you do it live. Okay. So that's the button. This is the video. So again, just click anywhere in the space. You'll see the little icon. and again you can put in your video URL. Okay, so really simple. One time, do not close this page. I really like this as well. This tells them step 1, step 2, step 3, etc. That's really cool, really clever. This has been shown to work. People like the fact that they know exactly where they are, and how many more steps to go. And again, you can change this, so you can put your logo in if you want, so you could put in an image URL there. You could do all sorts of clever things with this as well. And this is where you can actually use the image feature that I did earlier, so we can search for a specific image. So let's say it is I don't know, desert island. I want a palm tree and a desert island image. Just click go, and it's actually searching through the Flickr, and there we go. So it's actually finding images that from the settings that I'd set up before. Okay, so let's just use, doesn't really matter, that one. Just looking at the dimensions here. Yeah, that one. Okay, cool, and it's done it specifically to that size. It's over here, so we can edit that again if we want. Let's just have a scroll down here and see what other options I've got. Down here, see what other options I've got here. So where do I want it to go to? I could go to a URL when they click on it, or nothing. Don't want them to go anywhere. You could do all sorts of clever things. You could have now the other thing that you could do is actually upload. That was searching for an image, so upload an image as well, just in the normal way. So one from your media library, or upload your own. Okay, very clever, huh? Yeah, that's okay, I've done that. Fine, nothing else to show you there. Nice, okay. What's something else I was going to do with this? What else am I going to do with this? The size of it, oh yeah, okay, so it must be, okay. Let's look up here, yeah, okay. Just made it too big, it's too damn big. I want this to be a logo site, didn't I? So let's just do it. I probably want it in the left hand side. Oops, do that again. It's there, left. Good, okay. So obviously I wouldn't want my logo to be a desert island, but you can play with that as much as you like. Okay, and then we just simply click at the top here. It says publish. I don't know if you can see that. Oops, I just click to publish, and it's doing it now. Good, and it's done. Okay, so let's just say we wanted to start from scratch. So first of all, let me just exit from this. Are you sure? Yeah, I've just saved everything, so that's fine. Okay, so I now have 3 published pages, including the last one that I just did there just now, that I've called traditional. This time I'm going to create a new page. So this time, instead of using any of the templates, we want to start from scratch. Actually, I'll create another video for that, because the templates are brilliant, and as you can see, there's lots and lots to choose from, including countdown timers and all sorts like that. Okay, so I'll let you have a browse through that. Mostly I would use the templates just because they're there, and they've got some great things, but I'll go and create another video for you to show you how to do it from scratch. Okay.